In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect to your Hostinger VPS via SSH and ensure your N8N service is updated smoothly. Let's get started on this process, which is easier than you might think, but it does require a bit of attention to detail. First things first, you need to connect to your Hostinger VPS via SSH. SSH, or Secure Shell, is like having a secure line of communication with your server, allowing you to send commands directly. To do this, you will need your server's IP address, your username, and your password. Open your preferred terminal or command line tool and type in a command that looks something like this: SSH your username at your server IP. Press enter, and then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you're connected, you're in. You now have the power to control your server. With the connection established, your next move is to stop the N8N service. This ensures that no processes interfere while we make updates. To do that, you'll enter the command sudo systemcl stop N8N. The word sudo is key here, as it grants you the necessary administrative privileges to execute this command. Once you've hit enter, your N8N service will gracefully come to a halt, setting the stage for the update. Now it's time to pull the latest N8N Docker image or update via npm. If you're using a Docker setup, pull the latest image by typing docker pull N8Neo/N8N, which will fetch the newest version directly. If you are using npm instead, you'll want to navigate to your N8N directory and run npm update N8N. Both methods ensure that you have the most recent features and fixes, keeping your N8N service running optimally. With the update in place, the next crucial step is to restart your N8N service. To do this, enter the command sudo systemcl start N8N. This tells the system to wake the service back up, now infused with the latest changes. Your service is now ready to get back to work. Finally, let's verify that the update was successful by checking the N8N version you have installed. You can do this by running the command N8N v, which will prompt the system to display the current version. Take a moment to compare this with the latest version mentioned in the update you pulled or installed. Seeing those numbers match confirms that you've successfully updated the system. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on connecting to your Hostinger VPS via SSH and updating your N8N service. By following these steps, you keep your tools sharp and efficient, ready for whatever creative tasks you have lined up. Until next time, happy automating.